In daily SMT production, what are the precautions? For the feeder of the chip mounter, 1. When the operator loads the material, he should pay attention to whether the pressure cover of the feeder is fastened to avoid damaging the patch head. When loading the material, it is necessary to distinguish between the tape and the paper tape to avoid poor absorption. 2. When putting the feeder on the machine, you should pay attention to whether the hook is fastened. If there is still shaking after fastening, the feeder should be replaced immediately and then handed over to the feeder maintenance personnel. 3. If you see scattered feeder parts in the machine, you should notify the maintenance personnel immediately, and you need to check it before turning on the machine. 4. The idle feeder must be fastened with the cover and put back on the feeder storage rack or material cart as required. When moving the feeder, it needs to be carried by hand when the distance is close, and it needs to be carried by a trolley when it is far away. 5. Defective feeders should be labeled to distinguish. 6. Other labels cannot be randomly affixed to the feeder, and its cover cannot be randomly placed after use. 7. All feeders placed on the equipment rack must be properly placed and cannot float or be too high. The above is all the content of this video. Follow us to learn more about placement machines.